everyone, Mrs. Farrah here. Today we're going to learn our Days of the Week song. So first, we're going to learn how to say our days of the week in sign language. Are you ready? All right, here's how we go. We start with the day Sunday. Sunday is like this. Sunday. Sunday. And then we go to Monday. You make an M with your hand, turn it towards yourself, and then just put it in a little circle. Monday. Tuesday is much the same as Monday. You make a T, turn it towards yourself, little circle. Tuesday. Wednesday, you'll start to see a pattern. W, and then in a little circle. Thursday, since it also starts with a T, we actually do TH for Thursday. Thursday. And then Friday is our F and in a circle. And Saturday, a little S and make a circle. So those are our days of the week. Let's practice them together. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great. And now this is how we say week and weekday. Ready? You're going to use your hand like it's a little calendar or a planner, and you're going to run your finger right across. Week. That's the word week. Week. Weekday is a combination of the word week and the word day. The word day is just like a sun going down. You place one hand out, put your elbow on it, finger up, and the sun goes down. Week. Day. Okay, let's practice all those together. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, week, weekday. Now we're going to put all of those together with our song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Thank you for joining me for the song. Hope you have a great today and the rest of your days of the week.